beginning of creation, God made them male and female. And for this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become as one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. And therefore, what God has joined together, no human being must separate. In this age of fluid commitments, in this age of shifting values, in this age of ever-changing loyalties today, you, Chris and Laura, pledge yourselves to each other for life. Promise to be true to each other in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, until death do you part. I think that one of the most important parts of a good recipe for a happy and a holy marriage really is true love that expresses itself in sacrifice for one another. I, Christopher, take you, Laura, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you. In good times and in bad. In sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you. All the days of my life.
I, Laura,
take you, Christopher,
to
be my husband. I promise to be true to you. In good times and in bad. In sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you. All the days of my life. I now pronounce the husband and wife.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for. It is my pleasure to introduce to you for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Christopher Miller!
Laura couldn't have chosen a better man to spend the rest of her life with. Many of you know Chris loved boats. Laura told me a story once on one of our many long runs where it made me question his boating abilities. One, the boat ran out of gas. I really hope that's not his job at the ferry. And two, somehow he was turning the boat around and Laura went overboard. I don't know. I think I missed a couple details in that story, but Chris, I have some advice for you. No matter how badly you want to toss Laura overboard, don't. She's the one that you've been fishing for your whole life.